Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we did engage the upper band. The upper band ride is still active, but you can see here the Bears have some work to do, or the Bulls rather have some work to do. They need to re-engage this upper band. It's going to take a 2740 print today to get it done, at least 40 to 42. You can see the Bears have already taken out the prior day low. So we talked yesterday about what it was going to take to kind of abate things, to have the potential to head back towards the daily mid-band, and that was to end the band ride by going an entire Globex session without touching the upper band. I don't know yet. Talk to me at 5 o'clock. So far, they haven't touched it. Secondly, take out the prior day low. That's been done. So that's, if you're short or if you're a bear, that's encouraging. The Bears have to have a day though. They have to continue to progress throughout the day, and they have another 19 handles to go. Your Globex low is 20.5. That's still 16 handles above the weekly pivot. They need to get below the weekly pivot. But I agree. I put this out for subscribers last night. The Bears have a chance. We're spending a lot of time, over 12 hours, below. We broke it yesterday at noon, below the hourly mid-band. That was the area that had been very steady support, as you can see. Now it's trying to be resistance. If that area stays resistance, then you're going to continue to see pressure to the downside. Yesterday was an interesting day. We whipped around a little bit in the morning, and I think it was a byproduct of this thing pausing. Doesn't mean it's topping out, but it's pausing. It's certainly pausing. Then you had a decent push to the downside through the afternoon that the Bears really still haven't, they haven't given it up. They made a lower low. They've turned today's daily pivot in the 31-32 area into resistance. That needs to remain. This is your last chance saloon for the Bears, so to speak. If they lose the hourly mid at 28 right now, then they have to hold daily pivot. If they can do that, then it's just retesting Globex highs. You produce a lower low, you continue to progress towards 14.5. If you give up daily pivot, then you've done two things. You've reestablished the hourly mid-band as support, most likely. Now you're turning the daily pivot back into support. It was support yesterday. You're going to see a reach back up to try to catch that band. And that band is right around yesterday's high. So watch the hourly mid, watch the daily pivot. Understand that the Bears remain effectively irrelevant until they convert this line. You do a big move down here that rejects and bounces, you're going to have a very directional Thursday and a very directional Friday. I mean, that's the old 2017 playbook, right? Fail to convert the weekly pivot early in the week, pay the price later in the week. The Bears want to avoid that scenario. That's exactly how the Bulls want things to play. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with some stuff on social. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.